Here's a tech tip to help you disassemble and reassemble the 10-round 22 LR magazine for your LCP II. We're starting off with an unloaded pistol, unloaded magazine, no ammunition in our workspace, and eye protection because we have a spring-loaded magazine. As far as tools today, I'm just going to use the chamber flag that came with the pistol and start by depressing the retainer in the bottom of the floor plate and slightly sliding the floor plate forward. And I use my thumb to keep the spring in place while we remove the floor plate. Slide out the retainer, remove the spring, and we can dump the follower out of the mag body. At this point, all the plastic pieces can be wiped with a cloth. Same with the magazine body, just get the fouling, any excess lubrication off of it. Now to reassemble, we'll start with the follower. I'm going to make sure the front and top are aligned so the follower is in the right orientation. With either end of the spring, insert it down the front of the mag body, and then the post and the retainer goes into the spring, and you work the whole thing down inside of the magazine, making sure that the lip of the retainer goes over the back wall of the magazine. With that in place, I'll keep it there with my thumb, and moving front to back, slide the floor plate onto the retainer, and then the final step, put into place. You hear that click. We can see that the magazine is properly assembled. The retainer's over the back wall of the magazine, and that ensures that your 10-round magazine, in fact, holds 10 rounds. At this point, we can see we have good function, and we've put our magazine back together. You can find these instructions also in your instruction manual, and for more information, visit Ruger.com.